Hi guys, I need to show in this video about this project. Slab work. Here you can see drain work. Here you can see diamond, paint everything, ceiling white, paint walls, concrete work, paint the block. Here they did ceramic tile and cover it with Tyvek block paint. You can see here drywall work, paint, water fountain, cover it, fire extinguisher. Bathroom. Here combo unit for waste. Separate unit. Ceiling tile, you can see insulation, ceiling tile, duct work, electrical work, supply and return. You can see they cover. Yeah, ceiling tile. Here you can see I have some videos about this project before. You can see they put here 2x4, so it will be easy for them to install the aluminum tight. Here you can see tile work. Duct work, ceiling tile, different elevation. Here, just to show you here, they put that, like fabric mesh roll, because here there is 2 control joints. So they have that mesh on control joint to cover it, and they patch the edges, you can see. So sometimes on other project, you just need to do per tile manufacture, do like cement patching to fill the control joint. But here, it's better to do that mesh. Sometimes we use it when you have crack on slab, on concrete. So, and here you can see, here the pattern is third. You can see third, not like bricks work, not like on center. Okay guys, you can see paint work, drywall, cover tile. Here we have fire extinguisher, cover the receptacle for paint. Put tile at the board and keep the rest open, so the inspector, he can come and see and check. That's something they accepted. You can see ceiling tile at the border everywhere, and keep the rest of the area open. Inspector, he can see duct work, electrical work. When we will pass an inspection above ceiling, we will cover everything. Here you can see tile base. Here you have another tile. Cover everything. Paint.